The overall Alfa Laval strategy is to supply a complete range of equipment for tanks used in the process industry. Now introducing the Alfa Laval Agitator. Alfa Laval Agitators are based on a modular design that consists of the following: gear drive and direct drives, bearing frame, seal arrangements, ensifoil propeller. Shown is the top-mounted agitator, type ALT. The stainless steel bearing frame with internal shaft coupling is furnished with life-lubricated closed bearing and requires no maintenance. The lantern placed between the bearing frame and the mounting flange serves as spacer for the seal arrangements and provides good inspection properties. It is possible to change the seal arrangements from outside the tank without human entry into the tank. The Alfa Laval Agitator can be fitted with a wide range of sealings, both for low and high pressure tanks. The single mechanical dry running seal is often used in pharmaceutical, dairy or beverage applications, where a high sanitary level is required and where seal flush is not accepted. Double mechanical sealing keep a sterile barrier between the tank and the atmosphere. The seal is constantly flushed with condensed steam at high temperature, typically used in high-pressure applications such as aseptic storage tanks and fermentation tanks. The radial sealings are used in all type of applications in atmospheric tanks. The unique shape of the energy-saving foil, ensifoil propeller, provides a very high flow rate at low energy consumption. The efficiency is up to 400% better than for a propeller with blades of standard pitch. The unique shape of the ensifoil propeller ensures that the pump effect is spread out evenly, meaning the pump effect is the same from the hub to the tip of the propeller. Correct dimensioning minimizes the shear rate. This causes less heating to your product, a gentler product treatment, and a high-quality product. The propeller is designed to avoid internal shadow areas. This ensures that all surfaces can be cleaned with an Alfa Laval Tofte-Jorg tank cleaning machine. We have 4 different agitator designs. Top-mounted with no bottom support, type ALT. This makes it easy to get at everything inside the tank for inspection, cleaning and maintenance, and is the ideal solution for high sanitary applications. Top-mounted with bottom support, type ALTB. The shaft is supported by a steady bearing at the bottom, an ideal solution where bottom steady bearings are acceptable. Side-mounted agitator, type ALS, used in storage tanks and silos for low viscosity products and for keeping the product homogeneous. The ALS has exceptionally low maintenance and operating cost. Bottom-mounted agitator, type ALB. Service of the agitator can be carried out from ground level, which will make the inspection fast and easy. Agitators can be configured for particular duties, sanitary levels, and tank shapes and sizes. The construction is designed with the aim to comply with European and American regulations, such as EHEG, USDA, FDA, and 3A standards. ATEX are available on request. Alfa Laval also offers manway covers, cleaning equipment, installation material, pumps, tank legs, valves, and sight glass. Alfa Laval, your tank equipment supplier.